Recording.
I have been researching handlebars for the Indian Challenger probably since I got the bike, which was last November, because it comes with these bars. These are stock bars, and they are a long distance from the rider. So either you got to be over 6 foot tall with a long upper torso, or have monkey arms to fit this bike well. I've experienced that right away with this bike, and some of the choices for bars are mini apes, tall apes. There are different manufacturers: Torch, Suicide Choppers, KST, Comanche. Plus 14-inch is a common handlebar replacement. And what that does effectively is raise your hand positions upward. It may also address some distance to the bar issues, but I don't think that's what I'm trying to accomplish. I'm used to riding a sport touring posture. I've always had sport touring bikes. I ride a bicycle for half my life, which is a road bike, and you know those are bent over handlebars. I have no problem with that. But the distance, and I'm almost at full elbow lock here to my handlebar. The distance to the bar is what's the problem for me. So I don't want to go up because I've got a bad shoulder. I don't think I do, but you don't know till you get the bars on. So I ordered a set of reduced reach Indian brand handlebars, and they're the same shape supposedly, but they bring your bars 2 inches closer to you. And there's some reviews say it's enough, and others not enough, obviously. So I think 2 inches is going to make a big difference for me and for my needs. I don't have a problem riding like this, but it's a low speed maneuvering that if I got to go full lock on my handlebars, I'm going to be way stretched out across the tank, which I don't think is a good thing to do. So reduced reach handlebars from Indian are coming this week. They've been out of stock for quite some time. My Indian dealer said they won't be until January, so they gave me a lead to an Indian dealer in Conroe, Texas that had a set, and they're kind enough to ship them out to me, so I should be getting them this week. So today I'm burning fuel. I am trying to empty as much of the gas out of this and start out with a full tank of gas, which I like to do, but the tank has to come off, the seat comes off, the front fairing comes off, handlebars obviously come off. So it's not an easy swap that you think you can just unscrew a couple bolts and you're done for the next set of bars. You're not. You got a lot to take off on this bike. I anticipate 4 or 5 hours for me. My Indian dealer quoted 400, which I thought about doing. Would probably be less frustration, but good to get to know your bike. I have taken the fairing off, which was not bad. I have taken the seat off and replaced it. So those things are not an issue. I haven't taken the gas tank off, and my understanding from what I've seen and read is not that big of a deal. But you don't want a full tank of gas when you remove it, and it'd be 60 pounds of gasoline because it's a 6-gallon tank. I think that's the number before the weight of the tank comes into play. So burning off some fuel today. Keep you all updated. Let me know what you think if you have done your handlebar swap. I know there's been a lot of good reviews on some of the taller bars. I don't think I want to go that way, so that's why I ordered the reduced reach, which just brings you closer. So let me know what you think in the comments, and ride safe out there, everyone.